So I'm going to show you how to not only invite reaction roles to your Discord server today, but I'm also going to show you how to use it on mobile. So we're going to head over to Safari or whatever Chrome extension you use, and we're going to look up reaction roles, Discord bot or bot, and it should pop up right at the top. So we're going to select it. We're going to go down to invite. And then once we invite, it'll direct us to the authorization to which server we want to add the bot to. Then we authorize it. Then once we authorize it, we can go through the CAPTCHA, of course. Then once we get CAPTCHA, then it'll direct us to the Reaction Rules website. So let's hop back over to Discord. And here we're going to make sure it's here. So yep, it's here. And we're going to give the Reaction Rules bot the bot role. That we have given all the other bots in the other tutorials so far. The bot role is just primarily just a role to separate the bots from the bot users from the actual users in the server. So we're going to make sure that's good, so it's good. All right, so now that we have a self roles channel, make sure to make a self roles channel for your servers to where people can't type in it, they can only read. And we're going to make a self role. I'm just going to make a simple male female role selector self role. So we're going to do this emoji for male role, and we're going to select this emoji for female role. All right, so we're going to use this. We're going to press enter. All right, we have it. So what we're going to do first is we're going to long press. Actually, first we need to make the male and female roles, so I forgot about that. So let's make those roles. That's going to be pretty simple. We're just going to name it male, and we're going to select blue just to choose color, and then we're going to create, and then we're going to skip this, and there we go. We have our male role. And then we're going to make another one. We're going to write down female. Oh wait, oops. We're going to write down female. And once we write down female, we're going to select pink for female role, and then we're going to create and skip, and then we have our female and male roles. So now we're going to go into the message channel and long press it and select message link. And then once we copy the message link, we're going down to bump. We're just going to set up this role. So we're going to press a slash, and then it'll pop up. We're going to press the reaction roles symbol. We're going to scroll down to reaction roles, and right under reaction roles it should say create reaction roles. So we're going to press it. Once we press it, we just paste the message link, we attach the role we want to press. So we're going to make sure to press male, and then once we press male, we're going to type, and then we're going to do first emoji, so we're going to make sure we have the right emoji for our reaction role. We're going to type that emoji. Then for type, we're going to select one, then we're going to press enter. Now it should go through, and so it went through. So now that it's through, we're going to make sure it works. And then so far it didn't work, and I'm going to show you why in a second. So far it didn't work, and we got a message by reaction roles, and this message that we got by reaction roles right here, it says basically that it doesn't have the permissions to be able to do it. And so we need to be able to enable the bot to actually manage the permissions for the role itself. And then as a side note, we need to actually make sure we vote for the bot so we can use its full access for what we're doing. So we're going to log in to vote with our Discord account, make sure to authorize it with our Discord account, and then we're going to vote. All right, and then once we vote, we're able to use the functions again to actually be able to simply make a reaction role. So we're going to go back to Discord, and we're going to start this reaction role process. So we're going to go into self roles, make sure we go down to roles, and we're going to go down to reaction roles. And we're going to make sure that reaction roles is one at the top of the list of the roles we want to use in reaction roles, and then we're going to select it. We're going to make sure the permissions are an administrator for reaction roles. And we're going to go to permissions, and we're going to scroll all the way down to administrator at the bottom. We're going to turn it on because it needs to have an administrator on to actually be able to use the roles correctly. So now we're going to redo it. I just deleted the last message. Now we're going to redo it with the same kind of layout. So let's just get this up and rolling. So that emoji for male role and that emoji for female role. and then we're going to make sure to copy the message link. So make sure to long press, then copy the message link. Then we're going to slash, go down to reaction rules, message link, paste. We're going to go to role, we're going to go to mail. And once we press mail, we're going to select the emoji we want people to react with, that emoji, and then we're going to press type 1. And then we're going to do the same thing for the female role. So we're going to do slash. And then once we do slash, we're going to go to reaction roles. We're going to do message link, same message link since we're using the same message. And then we're going to go down to role female, then female to emoji to female emoji. And then we're going to do type 1 as well and press enter. And then now it should perfectly work. So we're going to make sure it works. We're going to select each one. See, now I have the male role. And we're going to unselect it, and now I don't have the male role. And we're going to make sure the female role works. And we're going to select it, and so now we're going to see. So the female role works, and now I unselect it, and now the female role isn't there. I hope that this tutorial helped with this problem with mobile and reaction roles. Make sure to be able to vote for the bot. Make sure it has full permissions. Adios, guys.